Bottle gourd split pigeon pea tortilla wrap. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most different of the pea recipes and one of the most delicious of the pigeon pea recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Tortilla recipes and one of the most different of the Dal recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the taco recipes and one of the most delicious of the Tortilla recipes, one of the most unique of the wrap recipes. Today we are going to make bottle gourd split pigeon pea tortilla wrap. The ingredients are 100 grams of split pigeon pea soaked in water for half an hour, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 green chili cut into 2, and 150 grams of bottle gourd peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Salt the onion pieces thoroughly. Now put in the fenugreek seed and the fennel seed. And let them get heated. Salt. thoroughly until the smell comes out of the fennel and the fenugreek seeds. Now put in the ginger and the garlic, salt, keep on sauteing. Now put in the tomato pieces and the green chili and few of the curry leaves. Put in salt to taste, salt and mix the tomato with the salt. Keep on sauteing. Put in the bottle gourd, pour the bottle with the rest of the mixture. Put in the rest of the salt. Mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Now put in the split pigeon pea or toor dal. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 250 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Go, put in salt to taste, mix, pour in 3/4 cup of water, mix and knead so as to make a nice dough. Put it in little by little. And knead the flour to make a thick and consistent dough. Thoroughly knead the flour. Now let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After making it into a ball, take the dough ball and make it into smaller balls. Roll it in between the palms so as to make it into smaller balls. And keep it aside. Now dust the surface on which we flatten the dough. Take the small dough ball and flatten it into a round shape using the rolling pin. Turn it around and make it into a circular flat tortilla shape using the rolling pin. Dust the surface, flatten it out. Do this with the other balls, and these can be then fried. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the tortillas. Now turn it over. Turn it over from side to side. Turn it over again. apply some oil on the tortilla. On the sides. Turn it over. And on the other side also. Turn it over. The tortilla is put in the bottle gourd split chickpea mixture into the and fold it into two. Turn it over. And take off the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the next tortilla. This is the final bottle gourd split pigeon pea tortilla wrap. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the taco recipes and one of the most delicious of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most unique of the tortilla recipes and one of the most unique of the pancake recipes and one of the most delicious of the pigeon pea recipes and one of the most different of the peas recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.